Hello.
Hi. My name is Saskia.
Yeah.
I'm Maddie.
This is Ash.
Meeks.
We are Dulcie.
And Dulcie means sweetness
Yes.
in Latin.
Yeah.
It is my great-grandmother's name as well.
How do you guys work?
It's just different every time, really. Sometimes one person comes into like the rehearsal with like a half-written song, and then we kind of all jump on board.
Yeah, other times it could just be like a chord, and we're
Yeah.
like, oh, that's sick.
That
Let's
sounds
write an entire
Yeah.
song around it.
Or it's like one of us just has written a whole song. I always write with my voice memos and I just push like record and then just basically just wrote the song and then had to learn it off my voice memo because I was like, what is that song? I don't know what that is.
Amazing.
That's why she's good at freestyle rapping. Not now, Meeks.
If you could jump ahead 5 years, where are you at? What are you doing? Are you still working?
Wow.
Well, it's like so crazy. Like for your first releases, like your sound is like so carved out. Like,
Thanks.
like in fall, when you hit the syllables on.
My authenticity.
So dope. Like that's
Yeah.
so cool. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for the chat, and you guys are going to
okay.
stick around and play some songs for
Yes,
us.
we are.
It's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. And you know it's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. And you know. Why do you look at me like that? Like you can see through my cracks, like you can't see directly into me. Why do you look at me like you deserve a second chance? Tomfoolery and second glance, but it's over, and you know that, I know that. And I'm not gonna fool again, you know, no. I'm not gonna fall, no, like I did before. I'm not gonna fall again, you know, no. I'm not gonna fall, no, like I did before. And I see you sulk just like a child. But all you did is say how it could be better going our own ways. I fell for all of your laced up lies one too many times. And I'm not gonna fall again, you know, no. I'm not gonna fall, no, like I did before. I'm not gonna fall again, you know, no. I'm not gonna fall, no, like I did before. It's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. And you know it's dead and gone. It's dead and gone. And I tell myself it's dead and it's gone for too long. And I tell myself again, and I tell myself again. I don't need your friends, I don't need your help, I don't need your time. I need my space to unwind, my consciousness, clarity of my own mind. I need to be free, practicing my authenticity. You know, no, I'm not gonna fall, no, like I did before. I'm not gonna fall again, you know, no.